Buckle up, folks. We're jetting off to Aracaju, the capital city of Sergipe in Brazil, home to nearly 650,000 people. This city is brimming with culture and quirks. First, let's dive into culture. Did you know Aracaju is known as the city of cashews? That's right, these tasty nuts are a big deal here. Secondly, the city boasts an annual carnival that rivals the world's best. And third, Aracaju's coastline is a haven for crab fishing. Talk about diverse. Now for the weird and wonderful, ever heard of a museum dedicated to Zoco people? Aracaju has one. Second bizarre fact, the city is home to Sergipe's smallest church. And third, the city's main square is called Orelha de Monge, which translates to monk's ear. Intrigued? Follow me at Mr.Gurgel on Instagram for more fascinating facts and travel tales. Aracaju awaits you.